Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation bus mishap has been reported in Karnataka, where a bus travelling from Bengaluru to Gadak caught fire mid-journey near Devaragudda in Ranibennur Taluk of Haveri district, under the jurisdiction of the Ranibennur Rural Police Station. The bus, carrying around 17 passengers, caught fire while in motion, triggering panic as thick smoke filled the vehicle. Acting swiftly, the driver stopped the bus on the roadside and calmly evacuated all passengers. Thanks to his presence of mind, all 17 passengers escaped safely without any serious injuries, preventing from a major tragedy. Following the incident, locals rushed to the spot to help, while fire and emergency services arrived promptly to control the blaze. However, by then the bus had been completely gutted. Police officials visited the spot and began an investigation to determine the exact cause of the fire, whether due to a technical fault, an engine issue, or any other reason. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.